Important thing. You and I need to be on the same page. I don't know.
Robbie, as well-intentioned as Bill's remarks are, I'm hoping we can keep this between us until we all get on the same page.
We're on the same page.
When you impregnate a person that you don't know particularly well, sometimes when it comes to parenting, you're not on the same page.
I'm glad we're on the same page.
So, first things first, we need to have a contract so we're on the same page about the rules.
Well, I think we're all on the same page here.
I just want to make sure we're on the same page here.
Let's get on the same page here, shall we? Very good. Now.
Let's get on the same page here, huh?
So let's get on the same page here, and you shoot what I need to make a successful film.
I just want to make sure we're on the same page about this telling Megan about the hooker thing.
I don't think we're on the same page about anything.
Regardless of everything else, I'm glad we're on the same page about guns.
Allison, I thought we were on the same page about this.
Tell Diane we're on the same page, and it won't happen again.
Yes, we're on the same page, young lady. And I'm not just talking about your writing duties. You and I...
Good. I'm glad we're on the same page then.
Sounds like we're on the same page then.
So we're pretty much on the same page then.
Harrison, I really want to get on the same page with you about this.
It's like, do you ever feel like you're so on the same page with someone that you don't even know what to say to that person?
Just I never seem to find anyone on the same page with me.
Well, like, when it comes to the kids, John, we gotta stay on the same page, you know?
It's hard to get everyone on the same page,
Yeah.
you know?